looked out my window like about 5 minutes ago and I couldn't even see that little hut. So, not even like 15 feet in front of me. Now the fog's kind of lifted, you can just see it in the background. The rain's awesome. I love it. Peace.